Cooking with Kyler!
Hey Will, hey Kyler. I hear you're doing a cooking challenge and I have a great dish to suggest. A Moroccan chicken tagine.
Ooh.
And I actually made it on the Barefoot Contessa with my friend Ina Garten several years ago.
What?
All right, have a great time and I hope you make that recipe. Let me know.
Challenge accepted. We are using a tagine for the chicken tagine. You can also use a Dutch oven, and we're just gonna use that to crisp up the skin. Grate the garlic.
Can I try?
I'm just gonna put the garlic into the bowl. Ginger in here too, just see how it works. It's hard to get out because it's like all in a chunk in the middle. Turmeric root. This adds a lot of orange and yellow color to the food, so it doesn't just taste good, but it also looks good. Definitely gonna make the chicken colorful.
Oh, that smells so good.
Surly! It's soap with attitude. We're gonna put in a drop of the turmeric powder. This is actually a Moroccan seasoning. So that's 1 teaspoon of it. It's organic paprika. The same amount of cumin, 1 teaspoon. My favorite seasoning because it smells good. We're gonna put that in too. It's not even cooked and it already looks so colorful. A teaspoon of salt. Wow. We had an onion already cut, so instead of using a whole one, we're just gonna use what we have. So let's cut off the ends, then we grate it. The onion was hurting my eyes and making me cry. Daddy's gonna take over the onion job.
Okay.
So we're gonna cut this and use the pulp and put it in the bowl of stuff for the marinade. That stuff, and gotta mix it. Wow. Oh my gosh. So that's gonna cook for about 10 minutes. One side only. Also, don't worry, this will not go to waste. And we're gonna place it in the tagine, skin side up. So now, we are going to put this marinade on top. Olives, maybe that juice too. Onions, and preserved lemon grinds. And we have parsley and cilantro. 3/4 cup of water. And put that there. So, that is our chicken. We're just gonna put a little bit of this on top. Okay, might be a little hot. Thank you so much, Gail, for letting us try this recipe. It was amazing. Thanks. Bye. It's just hot, but when it's a perfect temperature, I'm just gonna gobble it all up because it's so good.